I'm going to show you real quick how you jump start your vehicle. All you're going to need is a set of jumper cables. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is you want to come up to your dead battery. You want to identify the negative and the positive. As you can see, that one has a plus for positive and a minus for negative. The positive will always be red, the negative will always be black. So you take your red jumper cable and you clamp it over on the red post of the dead battery. Then you come over to your good battery and you clamp the red post, the positive, on it. Then we take our black lead. Wait, what's that? Subscribe and like this video. That would be great. I wonder how that got in there. Anyway, you want to take your negative, connect it to the negative on the good battery. Then you come back and you take the negative and put it on the negative post of the bad battery. Then you want to let it sit for a couple minutes just to charge up before you try to start it. And when you're taking these off, you want to take the negative off first, set it off to the side, making sure that it's not touching anything, and then take off the positive and set it off to the side. Make sure that these two do not come in contact with each other because they are still connected over here on this good battery. So now you come over to the good battery, you take the negative off first, and then you take the positive off. And just as simple as that, that is how you jump start a vehicle. So God bless, have a wonderful day. The more you know, the more valuable you are. What the heck is that? Subscribe and like this video. Yeah, that would be great if you would subscribe to the channel and like this video. Well, now we know what the heck that is.